Humans owe their improved life expectancy to the advances in medical devices and healthcare technology. Medical devices are a niche industry where no defect or fault is acceptable, as any minor fault directly impacts the human health. This has put tremendous responsibility on the medical and healthcare infrastructure, as was demonstrated during the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic has brought to the fore the criticality of medical devices like ventilators, masks, testing equipment, syringes, etc., which have become household words. It is critical that they meet the highest standards of precision, sterility, quality, and reliability, and ensure their safety for intended use. An internationally accepted standard that lists down the requirements for a quality management system specific to the medical devices industry is ISO 13485. Certification to ISO 13485 Medical Devices Quality Management System ensures that the process is followed while designing, storing, and manufacturing the medical devices adhere to the required quality, regulatory, and safety norms. Certifications of organizations dealing in medical devices as per ISO 13485 by accredited third-party certification bodies generates trust and confidence with regard to their reliability, safety, and confidence in their use. However, there is a need for an independent, internationally recognized national accreditation body to determine and validate the technical competence, impartiality, and consistent operation of such conformity assessment bodies. That's where the National Accreditation Board for Certification Bodies, NABCB, plays an extremely important role by granting accreditation to these certification bodies. Accreditation by NABCB benefits the patients as they are assured of receiving consistent, superior quality care and can trust the diagnostic outcomes. It also gives them confidence regarding the competence, impartiality, and integrity of the certification bodies. NABCB's accreditation to certification bodies for medical devices quality management systems is recognized by CDSCO, the drug regulator in India, and has facilitated the certification of world-class manufacturing facilities for medical devices in India.
NABCB has a great role to play and great connection with the CDSCO because it accreditates the certifying bodies, and these certifying bodies we rely on for regulation of Class A and Class B medical devices. Collaboration between CDSCO and NABCB is actually helping the Indian medical devices industry to grow, because the NABCB accreditation is recognized internationally, and this international recognition gives the confidence to our national population as well as international population as well. So this accreditation by NABCB is really useful for the manufacturers and for those who are distributors and suppliers to ensure the quality, safety and performance of their medical devices, and in turn it helps them to get the regulatory approvals from the CDSCO and which are recognized nationally and internationally. At the core of everything is a patient. If patient gets the access to affordable medical product through these kinds of activities by NABCB, I think that's a good system.
NABCB has accredited multiple certification bodies for MDQMS. However, it has been found that globally, a large number of such ISO 13485 certifications are unauthentic, fake, or fraudulent. This poses a significant risk to the health and lives of the general population, as the medical devices carrying such certificates may be ineffective or potentially harmful. The NABCB logo on the certificates provided by the conformity assessment bodies ensures that they are duly accredited as per international standards thereby establishing their authenticity and minimizing the risk. Accreditation by NABCB also enables regulators to reliably monitor the quality of the medical devices manufactured, thereby facilitating continuous improvement. This has also given a fillip to the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives of the government.
In the last 3-4 years, there has been a lot of emphasis on bringing out technical regulations by Government of India. In fact, the number of products under BIS mandatory certification has grown from almost 125 to now 400 plus. We have a limited resources in terms of technical manpower here in BIS. So to leverage that, but to ultimately achieve the goal of what government is putting the responsibility on BIS, we have started using NABCB accredited inspection agencies. We have, about a year back, we have impaneled 5 of them, and we have started utilizing their services. This has really given impetus to us. What is expected from us by the government, we are able to do our required surveillance, give timely service to the industry. So in the past 1 year, after utilizing these agencies, we have really been able to transform our services in a very timely manner for the industry, so that both the goals are achieved, both consumers as well as the industry are on board. Industry gets the timely services and consumers get the right product.
NABCB has secured the international equivalence for this accreditation scheme, resulting in international recognition of such medical devices, thereby promoting their exports. This has facilitated the removal of technical barriers to trade and resulted in improved credibility of Indian medical device manufacturers. These programs and initiatives by NABCB ensure that people get reliable quality, along with access to safe and secure healthcare products and services. QCI and NABCB support Naya Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat.